Hello, I'm Dirk Van Loo and this is Nantucket Workbench. Today I'm looking at Milwaukee's annular cutters as used with the M18 fuel and other magnetic drills. Before mounting the drill, I used a new braking grinder to clean the rust off this 1/4 inch steel. Not because the drill's magnets required it to hold securely, but to make my marks show better. I scratched some random lines into the paint to give me some intersections to pinpoint. The retractable pilot pin allows precise positioning over the marks. Setting up the M18 fuel 1.5" mag drill is a simple matter. The feed handle will mount on either side with the push of a button. The magnets can be fully or partially engaged, which allows the drill to be moved even while it's gripping the steel. This is particularly valuable when it's in a horizontal or inverted position. The cutting fluid tank, which also mounts on either side of the drill, feeds lubricant down the inside of the cutter when the pilot pin is pushed upward by contact with the workpiece. The safety strap is not necessary for a ground-level vertical cut like this, but it's good practice and a must for high-level, horizontal, or inverted work. The annular cutters fit easily into the Weldon quick-release chuck. Once the point of the pilot pin is positioned over the mark, the magnets are engaged and the drill is ready. It's important to remember to open the tank valve. I've allowed a minute for the cutting fluid to flow. It's a good time to check the motor speed. 400 RPM is right for these cutters. This cut is for a 3/4 inch hole. It doesn't take much pressure on the feed handle. When it produces curls like this, the feed rate is right. A change to an 1 1/16 cutter is quick, as is positioning the drill over the next mark. The desired bird's nest shows a good feed and a good cut. One more hole just because it's fun. The smoke this time is from the oil heating up. The annular cutters work cleanly and leave burr-free holes. This set from Milwaukee, part number 49-22-8410, is a solid addition to any magnetic drill. This is Dirk Van Loo and Nantucket Workbench. Thanks for watching.